Good afternoon. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the notification bell. And today we have ourselves a special video. We got products from DEDC, and they're basically a Tesla accessory company. I'm not sure if they make products for different car companies, but this is their logo right here. And their website is actually dedcauto.com. Check them out. They've sent over some Tesla accessories. And so let's check them out and let's see what we think about these accessories. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So, all right. Here are all the different products right here. And let's go through each and every product and let's see what we think about them. Starting off with this right here. And I don't know what it is. So let's open it up and let's see what it is. So hold on, let me sit this camera down over here. And let's point this down over here. Okay, so let's open up this package here. And let's see what it is. I'm actually unsure what this is. But as far as build quality, I would definitely say that it is pretty good. Okay. Oh, all right. And would you look at that? See, look at that. So it goes right over. Right over here. I do like it. Quality's good. What a cool product. So this is product number one. All right, so let's look in our bag of goodies and let's see what this box is. Oh, would you look at that? We have a set of cup holders, and they've actually issued two sets, one for obviously the back of the vehicle and one for the front of the vehicle. Let's install this right here. First, let's empty this out. And let's open this up here. And it's very easy to install. You just stick it right in between right here. Oh, look at that. Oh, these cup holders are phenomenal. I do like that. So there's the cup holder. So that's product number two. Highly recommend you purchasing their products. The build quality is really good. And let's move on to the next piece of item. I'm not going to be installing the back cup holders because you obviously know how it works. You just simply slide it on right in on top of the where the old cup holders go. So let's move on to another product. Okay, so this right here is a great product that they've sent. And guess what it is? It's a set of mud flaps for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. I'm sure they make mud flaps for both. And would you look at that? Look at these mud flaps. So you obviously have one for each corner of your vehicle. And the reason why mud flaps covers come in handy is because if you live in an area that has a lot of precipitation, bad weather, muddy, rain, you know, you tend to find out that mud will kick up on your vehicles. So one perfect item that you can get is a set of mud flaps, and they're very easy to install on your vehicle. So they have one set of mud flaps for each side of the vehicle. And this is product number 3, or I guess it's our final product. And these are the little bolts that it has to install your mud flaps. And let me show you where these mud flaps go. And just in case you don't know, I'm not going to be installing them right now because I got to bring my car in for service tomorrow. And I actually have a set of mud flaps. These are the old mud flaps. But to be honest, I don't have them on the back set of the vehicle. And that would probably be really good if I were to install them on the back of the vehicle. But I'm gonna wait for my car to come back from service and in order for me to install the mud flaps. So the mud flaps go basically right here on the vehicle. And they'll protect your vehicle from any signs of dirt and any signs of debris that picks up. Okay. I'm unsure if they go over here or over there, but you just search up mud flaps, and you can buy mud flaps from Tesla, which are going to cost you a pretty penny, or you can buy these mud flaps that have a reasonable cost. You know, a lot of the times Tesla charges a premium. That's why it's always better to go aftermarket and order yourself a product that's reasonably affordable rather than paying the Tesla premium, because they both obviously do the exact same thing. So a great product, especially if you live in an area that has a lot of dirt and mud. Mud flaps would definitely come in handy. It'll save you a lot from rock chips and any type of dirt debris that kicks up. So here are the little tools in there to help you install. I'll have their installation video in the link description if you decide to get these products. So yeah, so go out and get yourself some good products from DEDC. They have an Amazon store, they have a website. I'll have all their links and all their info in the link description, so you can go out and you can purchase their items. So this is the company, DEDC Auto. I would like to say thank you guys for shipping out these products, and keep these good, awesome Tesla's accessories coming. And I will be reviewing and doing more unboxing of Tesla accessories as I get them. So thank you for watching. That's all I gotta say. So take care and have a nice day.